Hey, I've got the FUMS six-pack for you. It's the top 6 topics in MS this week. Ready? Let's go. Number 1, are you going to CMSC this next week? That's the Consortium of MS Centers, and it's in Nashville, and it's this huge conference, and all big, thinky MS docs and researchers and whatnot are there. And my friends from Cytokine are going to be there, and they're at booth 501. So if you're going to be there, please stop by and please tell them that Kathy sent you. I just want them inundated with people coming up and saying, hey, Kathy told me to stop by. Anyway, they're doing research on this wonderful UVB light therapy and MS, and all the science is there. You know, it's efficacious, it's safe. There's my light box right there. I can speak to you about what it's done for me, and it's quite amazing. My fatigue has plummeted and my energy has shot through the roof. I used to be laying down 4 to 6 times a day at least. I'm just not anymore. It has helped my quality of life. And anyway, there's lots more science than just me saying that it worked for me. Go to CMSC if you can, booth 501, or go to cytokind.net. Yes, CYTOKIND, and learn more over there. But it's really exciting stuff. Okay, number 2. Who's interested in myelin repair? Me, this gal, me. Bet you are too. So here's the quote. Scientists find ways to turn brain cells into myelin repairing oligodendrocytes. So it's really promising stuff. You want to learn more? Well, I linked to the study in the 6-pack this week. By the way, if you want this with all the links and everything, you can get it delivered right to your inbox every week. Just go to FUMSnow.com/6-pack and sign up. Number 3, discontinuation of high efficacy therapy is associated with a higher risk for relapse among older adults with non-active multiple sclerosis. What does that mean? That means you should get on the damn DMTs and you should stay on the damn DMTs. So I know I'm going to get pushback. You do you, boo. I mean, your body, your choice, okay? I was on DMTs, wasn't working for me. I went off for 4 years, 4 glorious years. I felt so good and free right up until I didn't. I had a fat relapse, and I still have numbness in this hand as a little reminder. So I got back on DMTs, and I personally will not be going off. But again, your body, your choice. But here's an article that says relapse risk is higher in non-active MS with high efficacy therapy discontinuation. So it might seem like it's going well, and then you go off, and then it's not going so good. Okay, number 4. Here's what I wrote. Do you puff to ganja? Do you know my friend Herb? Have you met Mary Jane? If not, you may want to consider an introduction. Here's the study. Patients with multiple sclerosis report quality of life improvements following cannabis therapy. If you're not, maybe you should. Just saying. Number 5, if this then that. If you have MS, you likely have comorbidities. Over 50% of individuals affected by MS also have a sleeping disorder, such as narcolepsy, sleep apnea, or insomnia. We all have trouble sleeping, and if you can't sleep, it makes your MS so much worse and everything else. Sleep disorders can be brought about by multiple factors, including medications, associated symptoms, or MS itself, because MS, let's be honest, is just the gift that keeps on giving. So, here's the study. Sleep quality in MS impacted by comorbidities. No surprise, but there's the science. And number 6, brain volume, brain atrophy, and progression. Oh my. Yeah, the study is continuous diffuse brain atrophy independent of relapse as a hallmark of multiple sclerosis, beginning from relapsing remitting stage. What does that mean? That means your brain's still atrophying, potentially shrinking, even if you're not having any relapses. Kind of scary stuff, sorry. Don't shoot the messenger. But if you want to be able to read all these articles and studies and everything, get signed up. I do all the curation for you. I do all the work. Just go to FUMSnow.com/6-pack and you'll be able to get on here and get all of these clickable links and read the articles and things yourself. So finally, I just want to say, I'm so sorry. I forgot to announce the winners of the quote contest, which came up kind of by accident, but whatever, in my six pack a couple weeks ago, where I asked, where does up your nose with a rubber hose come from? I got lots of bizarre answers. I got a lot of really good answers that were correct also, but only one was both correct and first, and that was Elias Mercado. So congratulations, Elias. You've got FUMS bragging rights, and that's it. Sorry, but that's a point of pride. And extra points go to Laura Lukey, Lueke, who finished the quote, which I don't remember this, but with twice as far as a chocolate bar. So, okay. There you go. And it came from Welcome Back, Kotter, which was a TV show in 1975 to 1979, and I did watch it. So anyway, hope y'all are doing well. I am off on vacation to Italy next week. I can't wait. And just want to remind you to take good care of yourself and to say FUMS every day.